Hey guys, and welcome back to Squirtle Squad UK. We have another 2 booster pack Fates Collide opening. I bought the same 2 because I see these coins and I thought these coins were a lot better than the last coins that we got in the packet, so I thought let's give it a go. Last time I believe we started with the Pansear, so this time around we'll start with the Ghastly. Let's get straight to it, see what we can pull. Out of the last ones we ended up pulling an Altaria EX, which was really nice, and a Lucario Holo. So we'll see if we can match that or even better that with these 2 packets right here. Again, here's the Ghastly promo. See the same thing in the last video. Lovely little collector's coin right there. Nice little shine to that. And we'll just get straight in with this packet. We have a Meowth, Binacle, Snubble, a Snivy, a Solosis, Dugong, Loudred, Alakazam Spirit Link, Reverse Servine, and our rare is a Barbacle non-holo. So not as good as the first opening that we did, 2 Fates Collide booster packs from before. This time we'll go with the Pansear, and we'll see if we can at least get us a shiny or some sort of EX. That would be nice. That would be a lot better, to be honest. So again, here's the Pansear promo, same as before. Nice. And a lovely Mega Gengar coin, which is really nice. Nice plain purple. Lovely. We'll get straight in with this packet. Start this packet with a Minccino, a Cottonee, Solosis, Vullaby, Coughing, Wormadam, a random receiver trainer, a Kangaskhan, a reverse Cottonee, and oh, here we go. Oh, we have a Mega Ordino EX. Real nice pull. Again, we got the Altaria EX in the last 2 packets. This one, we got the Mega Ordino EX. So, to summarize, the Mega Ordino EX and the Barbaracle right there. Nice. Couldn't really ask for much better than that. 2 packets, 1 EX, 1 rare. That's not too bad. Thanks for tuning in to Squirtle Squad UK. For next time.